Welcome to eye training course, and today's topic eye exercises to heal farsightedness. To heal farsightedness naturally, we need to eliminate spasms from straight rectus eye muscles. First, you need to learn relaxation methods because eye exercises will not work without relaxation before and after eye exercises. In the first module, I revealed two main relaxation techniques that I personally use to relieve eye strain. Dynamic relaxation technique is the starting point for doing eye exercises. Eye exercises to heal farsightedness must be performed slowly and relaxed without any tension. Our main task is to relieve eye strain and release eye muscles from spasm and strains caused by screen time or any other overuse. Long-time static eye strain can cause eye muscle spasms, which are nearsightedness or farsightedness. To heal farsightedness naturally, we look up, then close our eyes and wait until our eyes return to the central position. Then slowly look to the left, then close our eyes and wait until the eyes return to the central position. Look to the right, then wait till eyes return to the center. This is light stretching of the straight rectus eye muscles. After you master a few relaxation technique and light stretching eye exercises, you can start practicing Sweat-on eye exercises. You need to know how to relax your eyes and relieve eye strain with natural methods. Eye relaxation is a super useful skill with all these electronic devices and screen time. All of these lifetime skills can help you maintain your eye health and vision. If you want a more comprehensive course to improve your eye health naturally with eye exercises and relaxation techniques, enroll in Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description below. In Eyesight Academy you can find much more eye exercises and relaxation methods which can help to train your eyes in more different ways to get better vision.